Are you looking for a delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie that won't strain your budget? Superfood smoothies are an excellent way to fuel your body with essential vitamins and minerals while keeping your wallet happy. In this guide, we'll explore budget-friendly superfoods, easy smoothie recipes, cost-saving tips, and ways to customize your blends for a delightful and nutritious experience. Introducing the powerhouse ingredients. Superfoods don't have to be expensive. Here are 5 to 7 budget-friendly superfoods that pack a nutritional punch without breaking the bank. Spinach, a rich source of iron, fiber, and antioxidants. Spinach is affordable and easy to incorporate into smoothies. Bananas, loaded with potassium and natural sweetness, bananas make an excellent smoothie base. Berries, frozen or fresh, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries provide antioxidants and vitamin C while being cost-effective when purchased frozen. Chia seeds, high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, chia seeds add texture and nutrition to your smoothies. Oats, a great source of fiber and protein, oats make your smoothies more filling and budget-friendly. Yogurt, Greek yogurt or plain yogurt adds probiotics and protein for gut health and energy. Peanut butter, a protein-packed, affordable alternative to expensive nut butters. These ingredients are not only nutritious but also cost-effective, making them perfect for daily smoothie consumption. Blending up deliciousness. Simple smoothie recipes. Here are 3 to 4 easy-to-make, budget-friendly smoothie recipes. 1. Banana Spinach Power Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 handful spinach, 1 cup milk or alternative milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Enjoy a refreshing, nutrient-rich smoothie. 2. Berry Oatmeal Energy Smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup frozen mixed berries, 1/4 cup oats, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: blend until creamy and smooth. This smoothie keeps you full and energized. 3. Chocolate Peanut Butter Delight. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. Instructions: blend and enjoy a protein-packed, dessert-like smoothie. 4. Tropical Green Boost. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen pineapple or mango, 1 handful spinach, 1 banana, 1 cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Instructions: blend all ingredients for a hydrating, vitamin-rich smoothie. Boosting your budget. Tips for saving money. Superfoods don't have to be expensive. Here's how to save money while enjoying nutritious smoothies. Buy in bulk, purchase chia seeds, oats, and peanut butter in bulk to save money in the long run. Opt for frozen fruits. Frozen berries and tropical fruits are often cheaper and last longer than fresh ones. Look for sales, check grocery store discounts and farmers markets for seasonal produce at lower prices. Make your own yogurt. Save money by making homemade yogurt instead of buying store-bought versions. Use water instead of milk. If on a tight budget, water or coconut water can replace expensive milk alternatives. Smoothie variations. Customize your experience. The beauty of smoothies is their versatility. Here's how to customize them to fit your taste and dietary needs. Sweeteners: swap honey with dates, maple syrup, or simply rely on the natural sweetness of bananas. Milk options: use almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk based on your preference. Extra add-ins: add flax seeds, cinnamon, or protein powder for additional health benefits. Toppings: sprinkle nuts, seeds, or shredded coconut for a fun texture. Fueling your body. The power of superfood smoothies. Superfood smoothies are a quick and affordable way to improve your health. Here's why they should be part of your daily routine. Rich in nutrients, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Budget friendly, uses affordable ingredients that maximize nutritional value. Easy to make, simple, quick, and requires minimal preparation. Versatile, can be customized to fit dietary preferences and taste preferences. Try these recipes and share your experience. Start blending these affordable superfood smoothies today. Try different variations and let us know your favorite combination. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using #BudgetSmoothies. Stay healthy, stay energized, and enjoy delicious smoothies without breaking the bank.